Hello everyone, I'm George.
And I'm Keisha.
And welcome to
Craft Life with the Sansburys.
You didn't say yay!
Woo!
In this video, we have moved outside.
Woo-hoo.
So my wife here from Michigan really doesn't like bugs, stuff like that. So the only way she'll be outside is if she is protected from bugs. So what we're going to do is we're going to screen in our patio. Alright? So it's in bad condition when we moved in, but we're going to fix all that. We are going to go through the project and strip it down. We pull the old stuff off. Stay tuned. I'm probably going to break this video up into parts. 1, 2, 1 is not parts. 2 or 3 parts. Okay? But stay tuned. Throughout the video, I'm giving little tips on things that I think will help you out if you're trying to do a project like this. So stay tuned and enjoy the ride. And as always, if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Please, okay?
Please subscribe.
Thank you. And don't forget about
Axe Apparel.
you.
Go to our website, www.axapparel.com for merchandise. Also, in the comments below, let us know what you guys think would be some good patio furniture for us to put in this space once it's all done. Okay? Remember, put it in the comment sections below.
Wait, is this Jumanji? Anyway, okay, well, I changed because the first part is the dirty work. I need my hood, I got my glasses for safety, some gloves, I need a hammer. So first part, phase 1, we gotta tear this stuff down, okay? I'll show you the before videos, some before pictures, and we gotta pull off the lattice, we gotta pull off the old screen that was torn up, we gotta do all that first. Then we're gonna do some sanding, then we're gonna do some pressure washing, just to knock all this stuff off, okay? Bonus, we will see some of the kiddos in this video. We got 5 kids. You're gonna see some of them working in here. 2 of them won't be in it, so I'm representing them with Pine Forest gear, family edition.